Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to speak about a couple of verbs that I've picked up for you, and we are going to review the correct way of using them in sentences. Let's jump right in. The first verb is risk. When we use this verb, we need to know that the verb that comes after it needs to appear in ing form, the gerund form, not to plus infinitive. Let's make an example. We don't say, we couldn't risk to leave him alone. We need to say, we couldn't risk leaving him alone. The next verb that I'm going to talk about is to be busy doing something. So it's wrong to say, he was busy to revise the exam. You need to say, he was busy revising the exam. It means that he was reading, studying, practicing to be prepared for the next day's exam, for example. If we say he was busy to revise the exam, it conveys a completely different meaning. Like he was doing other things that he didn't have time to revise the exam. And although it's not collocative, it conveys that meaning. If you want to just use the correct form of that sentence, we need to say he was too busy to revise the exam. It means that he was busy with other responsibilities and other things to do, so he didn't have time to prepare for the exam. So, let me put it in another example. I've been too busy to date lately. I had a lot of things to do, so I put my job as my first priority. It's the most important thing to do, so I didn't have time to have some dates with anyone, so I turned down all suggestions. But when I say I've been too busy dating lately, it means that I've been on dates all the time, day and night, one after the other, so I didn't have time to do other things. So you can see the meaning of these two sentences are completely different. Another phrase that I'm going to talk about is having difficulty. Have difficulty in doing something. So you need to put ing after the verb that comes after it. You do not say that she has no difficulty to do it. You need to say she has no difficulty in doing it, or she has no difficulty with doing it. The next phrase is to have the pleasure of doing something. Don't say, I had the pleasure to meet him. That's wrong. We need to say, I had the pleasure of meeting him. Take pleasure in is also possible. So you can also say, he takes great pleasure in meeting others. I hope this short video was useful and can help you have a better understanding of how to use verbs and phrases and sentences in the right way, like the way native English speakers use them. Have a great time. See you soon.